Alright guys, fix to change the lower unit gear lube in my Mercury Pro XS 250. A little maintenance goes a long ways. I'm gonna take that nut off. You know, when I take these washers off, I always make sure that I leave them stacked. They have to go back on there a certain way. So normally I try to take them off and set them down exactly like I took them off. Pull the prop off. This right here is exactly why you have to do maintenance. You see this right here? That fishing line will get back in behind that, mess your seal up, and then you got major problems with the lower unit before you know it, you'll be buying a lower unit. So make sure you check that often.